Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're kind of just going on like a small ride over there. But yeah, my mate on his surron is coming again, which is exciting, as so long with some other people. Whatever happens next, we'll play now.
Yeah, some days I feel unfazed, like one of my friends with a cup raise.
Yeah, we are.
I got a gun raised, suicide do or die until hump day. Then I go right back.
What the fuck is this donkey?
More drinks, more songs, more beats to rap. I need to shrink, I'm gone. More time keeps passing. No more thoughts at all, just a habit.
I know you sleep.
P's and O's, I always feel.
My derailleur like kind of kaboomed itself recently, and it's still having a spastic attack. That was Steezy. Right. Mochi. So Dean's coming, he's on his way now. Karim's coming and Cody's coming.
I'll go up and charge it for a bit.
Alright.
Yeah, you wanna go?
So I'm gonna keep it to like 100% for riding all day.
Yeah, we'll go now. I'll just tell everyone to meet up at the car park. Just how mate.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I record for YouTube and shit. How are you, Moe? Yeah, I'm recording a YouTube video.
Yeah, my new bike.
Oh, that looks nuts. Free? Shit, that's mad. Did you sell the 2 kilowatt? Yep. Yes. Oh my days! Oh, you're so lucky he's not looking. Yes, Eva's penis.
Just bike to wheelie.
Evo! Oh my days.
Well, he's gonna find out when he watches the video.
Evo won't care. Yes, mate.
That's how talky those are.
Bro, that guy's good.
Could...
It's off?
It's in eco.
I literally just heard it go. Alright, boys. On the surron again.
Yeah, try using the front brake. Alright, go forward.
Bro, it literally doesn't work.
He's got no pen.
Alright, and I'm gonna have some fun. Oh my days, bro. That is so much more talking. Bro! Evo, this is my first time ever actually tried in sport mode. It's f***ing powerful. That is scary powerful. Not scary powerful, like it's like dance. Full knee knocking.
Oh, do it.
Nah, I'm joking. I can't do it. Oh my god! What kind of power is this? Bro, this is worth every single $1,000 that you spent on it. Oh my days. I probably looked at the biggest downy ride in this, especially since I'm not even wearing a full face. Are you good? Did you loop it? Did you loop it? Oh, you good? Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Oh my god, full throttle is so scary. Bro, I'm just scared I'm gonna full throttle and it's gonna go like, what? Oh my god! That's 40 kilometers an hour. That's only half speed. What? I gotta go way faster. god! Bro, bro, 50 kilometers an hour feels scary on this. Huh? Go. Damn, that's smoky. Oh my days, Moshi, you're an idiot. Yeah, put this on the Edmondson Park Facebook, guys.
No fucking workout.
This guy on the road is like astonished. He's like, what am I seeing? Who's my... Evo! Similar. Oh, yes, the Dean.
Wait, Cody, knock it right now.
Oh, look at Cody and Evo. Yes, the Dean's penis. Yeah, I got it. I got your wheelie. I will. Oh my god, Dean. Yeah, mate.
Yes! Whoa!
Yes, Evo! I'll get on the back. Yes, man. Doubling with Cody. Oh shit, scary. I know. I was riding it early in sport mode. It was scary.
Are we in sport?
I don't know. Yeah, we are. Oh my god! It's so that's so deep.
I have no brakes, bro. I'm gonna pin it down your
No, please don't. Please don't. I beg you. No, please don't. No! Fuck, it's so down. I'll drop you off here, bro. Thank you. Bro, it's fucking scary.
Am I gonna be knee knocker in the video?
Yeah, you know what's gonna be the video when you drop the surron over there? Oh my days!
You know how much blood a mile is?
I can't imagine.
You know how much...
Shut up, Kareem! You can do another burnout. Yeah, the burnouts. Yeah, the burnouts. Holy crap! Oh my days!
I'm definitely gonna fry.
Hey, Marcus, touch it, bro. You should feel. Marcus, just have it.
Yeah, no, I'm good. I like touched my mate's pads yesterday and burnt my fingers. Oh, that smells. Yeah, the bananas.
Oh, I have a headache.
Ah, stop. Alright, Cody.
Can I be in your GoPro?
Yeah?
Hey! Be in the
go on the YouTube video.
Oh my god, are you going on YouTube?
Yeah.
I'm on YouTube. What's your YouTube channel?
Mtaterz.
Wait, go search it up because I want to be on YouTube. Oh, I'm actually going to be on YouTube?
Yeah, I'll put it in.
Oh, we're going to be on YouTube. Can you not?
No, put me in.
I won't put you in. I won't
Put
put
us
you
in,
in.
put us
Alright.
Listen,
Where's YouTube?
yeah, put your YouTube.
It's M. I'll put it in.
Just type it in my notes.
M what?
MT
M-T-A-T-E-R-Z.
ATERZ.
Alright.
I'll put you guys in the next video.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Alright, see ya. That's police! Bro, there's police right there!
Marcus, Taters, chops.
Shut up, bro! Yeah, the Karim! What the is this donkey? License plate ETM90D. Alright, everyone say bye to the Marcus Taters video.
Bye, Marcus Taters. Have a good day.
Don't leave me. Bye, Marcus Potatoes.
Say bye.
Bye, guys.
Oh, fuck. Bye, guys. Alright, see ya. Also, go to Cozzy Cuts because he cut my hair and he did a very good job. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. And I don't know, honestly, just thank you for watching the video.